Liam, get out there, please. Hi, Liam, you're gonna fall. Watch your step there.
Step? Okay. Ow! Go.
Liam, stop.
Baby.
Oh yeah? You see yourself already. Nalupad na. Hirap maging vlogger, no? Vlogger, housewife, mother of 3. Who wants banana bread?
Me.
I know, right? You what? No, it's okay, Jackson. You can fit your brother there. And you see this banana bread here? Jackson, go get the chocolate chips, please. Yeah. Help your brother too. Away na po na ro, mag-away. Yeah. I think Liam no. See? Here. He said here. See, Liam no. Careful. Oh, careful. Careful. What we doing? Alright. Oh, that's it. We're gonna pour here. Liam. You're not gonna eat that all, buddy. I'm gonna give you 2, 3. Okay, get down now. Liam, no. Liam, no. Jackson, enough. No more. Get out here. Out. Get down, please. Ay, ginoo ko. Diabetic is real. Okay, no more. Put it back, this. Okay, put it back, please. Thank you. Ang hirap mag-bake. It's so hard to baking with kids. Dealing with them every day. I know they are bored, but no choice. That's my kids. They love to try and try. Banana bread is real.